Hey guys, coming at you again. Today we're still working with the 50 cal. Today we're going to be working with this little 240 grain hollow point. Looks like a flying trash can. It's excellent. Out of the DAQ with 3500 psi, we're getting just under 900 feet a second. We're getting over 425 foot-pounds of energy with this little fella. As before, the awesome DAQ 50 long action with the little spring adjuster on there. Standard, nothing special about it other than the fact that I put this awesome Duracoat job on it. Duracoat, Duracoat. Love the stuff. They are not a sponsor, but they can be. Alright, we're going to shoot some of that gooey gel from Seth, and we're going to try some water jugs taped together. Let's check that out. Wow. That was good. We had poured this goo, we heated it up into this dollar container from the dollar store. Went in right there. And holy shnikes, it blew out the bottom. Oh geez, I'm glad I put something down. Okay. Hey guys, what'd you think of that ballistic nose blowing? It's pretty interesting stuff, isn't it? Well, they went all the way through, like 12, 14 inches of that stuff. I mean, that's what the hollow point started out as, and that's what it ended up as. Almost 900 feet a second. But this, I will see what we do on some water jugs taped together. Stay tuned. Hello folks. Today on Celebrity Corner, we have with us a well-known bullet maker, Seth Rowland from BHD. Everyone give him a big hand. Hey, how you doing there, Bob? Seth, I wonder if you could help me today. I'd be happy to, Bob. Today on Ask the Experts, a Brian Beck writes in and asks, Dear experts, would it be better to use a solid or a hollow point on a deer versus throwing a coffee can full of wheel weights at him at 30 yards? What would be your opinion? Well, I'd have to say either one of them bullets would be better than a coffee can full of wheel weights, but it's your choice. Whatever state you live in has special laws and regulations about wheel weights. Yes, I would have to say that too. Brian Beck, I would have to say it would definitely be better to use a solid or a hollow point than a can full of wheel weights. Thank you so much for your technical question. And I want to thank everybody out there in the audience. Thank you and enjoy the show. Thank you very much. Elvis has left the building. Hey, still got more in the bucket here. Okay, there's the entrance. I went through into the second jug. And the hollow point is in the second jug. I'll have to get it out. Wow, look at all this water. Sausage King, bring them up! Nobody's for free in this town. Everybody has to pay the piper to Mr. Hollow Point. And when you get that done, Sausage King, I want to see a wax on the car. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Did you see that in action? Have you ever seen a guy mop so hard in your life? Oh, it's excellent. Oh, I need to have more special guests over for answers. Wow. Wow, guys, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I mean, even though we got a lot of mopping up to do, but that's what the Sausage King is for. That's pretty good. I mean, this is 240, doing close to 900 feet a second. Entered in dead on, and went through the first one, went through the second one, and this mushroomed inside out was inside the second one. I mean, that's you know, for your short action bandits and whatnot, this is a deer round. I mean, this is going to do the damage. I don't care what anybody says. Here's the proof's in the pudding. This is doing its job. Mr. Hollow Point coming at you with another beautiful hollow point. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll come back at you with something new and hopefully something entertaining and something you can learn from. mrhollowpoint.com. Don't forget to go to YouTube, check out all the videos. You'll see all the latest action. Take care.